Hey everyone, in today's video, I am going to be doing the fox eye trend that I seen here on YouTube and on Instagram. So if you guys want to figure out how to do that trend, this is my way of how I did mine. I pretty much just went off by the picture. So yeah, just hit that subscribe button and hit the bell and give this video a big thumbs up. And yeah, y'all, let's just get into this video. Okay, you guys, so I'm about to just go ahead and just do my eyes off camera, simply because yeah, I don't do my eyebrows on camera too much. But I'm about to do this quick little transition. Y'all saw that? That was cute, period. But I'm about to get started on the base. I'm about to use a concealer that is close to my skin tone. This is the Juvia's Place concealer. I think this is the number 17. It's literally like dead on with my foundation shades typically, or a little bit lighter. I'm using that as my eye base today. So yeah, and then I'm just gonna blend that out with the the Makeup Daily sponge. It's a black owned business and her sponges are amazing. They're literally the only sponges that I use, and yeah, they're literally so good. So I'm about to use the Moonspell palette by Lunar Beauty, and I'm about to just work with the browns and the neutral tones in there. That's the first shade I'm going with right there. I'm going to take that on the outer crease, like outer thirds of my eye, and just blend that out and focus on deepening that up with the deeper browns that are in there, and just keep it like a cute, you know, shape pretty much. And to keep that shape, I use like the e.l.f. eye tape. So yeah, I'm just gonna take that a little bit and just focus and blend that more into my crease, that lighter gray color. And I'm just gonna take that softer brown and just to add a little bit of definition as well, swoop that onto my lash line, as you know, just to get started on like the brown liner type. So yeah, and I'm taking a deeper brown up there. I do not know the names, y'all. That's why I'm you know, just putting the circle, like, you know, little sparkle circle, just to show y'all which ones I'm going in with. I do not know the shades by heart, but yeah, so that's pretty much what I'm going to do, and I'm just going to slowly blend those out as well, and just keep going back in with those 3 shades, and just to make sure everything is just seamless and, you know, pretty smoky on the outer thirds of my eye. Now I'm going to be taking a translucent powder and just setting the rest of my lid, you know, just to make sure everything is not creasing or anything. I'm keying on the phone with my friend. This is hilarious. This is some funny shit that I'm keying with. And I'm just going to be taking the same things off. So pretty much that's what I like, you know, what I'm doing right there. And I just did both eyes here pretty much. And I'm about to get started on my base, y'all. I'm doing my typical base routine. I learned this base routine from TikTok. You know, setting your whole face with setting powder first, and then spraying with setting spray, and then your primer. Everything will be listed down below, my frequently used products that I always use. So yeah, pretty much this is the Wet n Wild loose translucent powder, and I'm just going to be taking that all over my face. So yeah.
Little.
So this is the Maybelline Urban Dream cover foundation. I like this foundation simply like when I'm going out in the sun or something, and I mixed it with the Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation. But I like the Maybelline foundation because it has sunscreen in it and it doesn't break me out. I did do a review in a video about that this foundation, and it has a squeeze tube. It's really cute. And the Milani foundation, if y'all subscribe to me for the longest, y'all should already know this is like a banger here on my channel. I love this foundation so much, and I love this brush that I'm using too. I need to buy me another one because this brush is like 3 or 4 years old. This is the Makeup Shack T40 brush. This brush is like 4 years old. This brush is old, y'all, and I need to clean my brush. Actually, I don't clean my brushes like that, like I should, but I feel like I need to do better. So I'm about to take that, and I'm taking the sponge just to get off some of the excess product because I did go heavy on the full coverage on this, like, you know, this look today. I'm just taking my same Juvia's Place concealer and just, you know, placing that under my eye. Lately I haven't been doing a lot of concealer on my eye because I be going heavy with the foundation, so I don't really need that much coverage under my eye like that. So yeah, I'm just gonna be blending. Y'all want to make sure everything is literally seamless. Just keep going back and forth. If you don't really do makeup like that and you're trying to get into it, trust me, like your tools are your best friend. So if y'all don't have any good sponges, buy some good sponges. Go to Ulta, buy some good sponges. If you don't have any good brushes, buy some good brushes. Go to Morphe, buy some good brushes. So yeah. So pretty much that's what I'm doing. Just make sure everything is cute. I'm just gonna take my fan and just make sure, like, I like to dry down my base a little bit before I set it, because it leaves a cute like satin look like on your skin, and it's really cute, and I like to use that fan to do that.
Ryan Little.
So pretty much what I did was I just lined my eyeliner like in my last line with a brown liner, and then I took those same shades and swept them underneath and kind of pulled them out like drag style, and then I put a white color like in between that gap of my eye just to make my eyes look a little bit bigger and a little bit longer. And yeah, like that's pretty much like how it is with my fox eye. Literally I got these lashes from the beauty supply, y'all, and my other Bink lashes did not look this cute with this look, and that's a shame. But these lashes are really cute with this look. And yeah, I'm about to just take my Fenty Beauty highlighter, the Diamond Bomb, which is my favorite highlighter of all time, and just sweep that on my cheeks. You know, I like a little sheen. I don't like highlighter really like that, y'all, but I like a little sheen that this do give me. So yeah, this is really cute. This is the Hollow at Me one. I have both, but I wish they would come out with another one, because these are everything. And I'm just gonna take my Milani Make It Last setting spray and just set my whole face. So this is pretty much the finished look, y'all. It's really, really cute. Like, you know, gloss is popping, face is dewy, and eyes are snatched. If y'all want to see more videos like this, voiceovers pretty much, then just let me know. Leave a comment down below. Follow me on all my social medias, and give this video a big thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe, y'all. And with all that being said, y'all, I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.